Meaning of detest.
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 Detest. Detest means to intensely dislike or hate something or someone. It is a feeling of strong opposition or aversion towards something that is considered unpleasant or offensive. This emotion is often accompanied by a sense of discomfort or disgust. People might detest certain things due to personal experiences, cultural beliefs, or simply because they find them repugnant. The result of detesting something is often a negative attitude towards it, which can lead to avoidance, criticism, and even hostility. Overall, detest denotes a strong and uncompromising form of dislike.